Good morning everybody. Happy Wednesday. I'm at Aldi today, y'all. Aldi has a lot of candles that was released today, but before we get into that, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back to my channel and checking my videos out. I truly do appreciate it. Also, your girl want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching everything: vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, and following your girl on Instagram and using or following my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. You are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. I got people sitting in the car, one on this side and one on this side, and of course they're looking at me, but you know your girl don't even care because we gotta get this one going today. Like I said, Aldi has a lot of candles coming out today. Even though they do have a lot of candles, I think I'm only gonna grab two. They have this big 7-wick candle, which is $25. It's actually not a bad price at all, even though it is $25 for Aldi. But when you really think about it, it's I think a 49-ounce candle. So that's really like 50 cents an ounce, really. I'm not gonna grab that candle. I think it is a good candle for its throw. I don't know nothing about that part. I don't even know what it smells like, but I will show y'all. But I think it is a nice candle for a nice table, like a centerpiece. I think it'll be really, really good for that. I personally don't need anything like that, so of course I'm gonna skip on that one. I'm only gonna grab two candles. As far as those mini candles, well, I guess I'll probably talk about all that once I get out the store. We'll kind of talk about the candles. I think next week is gonna be a little bit better week, even though they're only gonna have like the 3-wick candles that we all love. They're gonna have 4 of those come out. It looks as though Aldi's is really starting to do more of the single wick candles. So they're gonna have the smaller version of the 3-wick version candles come next week, if I said that right. It's gonna be the same 8 candles. It's just gonna be in a 3-wick version as well as a single wick version. So we all know the single wicks are like $2.50. Sorry about the airplane, but the 3-wick candles, y'all all know they went up on the price, which is $4.29. The seasonal candles, I don't know if my store have them. If my store have them this week, I might hold off until next week to grab those. But those candles should be coming, should be in the stores by now, of course. But I'm gonna check, I'm gonna see. But let's head in here. Yeah, let's head in here so we can get this one going. Okay, yeah, I haven't been at Aldi in a while, so we're gonna run in here real quick and grab our items. It's a little windy today and cold, but not as cold as it's gonna get. It's gonna get really, really cold, y'all. So let's run in here real quick and see what they have. Be on the lookout for these bright yellow tags. This is Aldi clearance tag. As you do see, these Christmas items is 75% off. But I did hear that some store have the clearance stuff at 90% off. So make sure you're looking for these orange, yellow, whatever color tag, these bright color tags for their clearance. I love the way these jars look, but I only grabbed 2. I passed on this ice eucalyptus and birch. The scent notes is pine, cedarwood, and cypress. I passed on that one because I think it's going to be your typical birch candle. but I do love the jars. Now these, I don't know if this is new this week or did these come out last week, because I did not go to the store last week, but these are those Glade looking candles. I passed. Now these big oversized candles, they are $24. They 49 ounces. They are huge 7-wick candles. I'm seriously thinking about going back for that vanilla teak wood candle. The scent notes, it's moss, patchouli, and sandalwood. I'm thinking about going back for this one. I think this will be really good for the summer months, sitting out on the back porch. I think it'll be good for that. Now these candles is nice, but for $8, no, I'll pass. Nothing special. As you see, they're 2-wick candles. It's nothing special about these candles. Yes, the jars are really nice, but I'm gonna stop buying Aldi candles because of pretty jars. You know, $8, that's a little bit expensive to me. Y'all, something is going on with my settings, but we're gonna keep this one going because I got to get this video finished. Okay, I'm just getting out of Aldi. I don't know why I want to say Kmart, but I'm just leaving Aldi. I did grab 2 candles and that was it. For some reason my store didn't have those mini candles, which was a complete pass for me anyway. They did not have any of the new seasonal candles. They did have those huge 7-wick candles. Oh my goodness, those things are huge and heavy. Huge and heavy. I did show the scent notes. I didn't smell them. I didn't do anything. I didn't smell anything, y'all. But I did grab the cracked glass, the crackle glass or whatever it's called, candles. This one is in dark Karen and amber. Hopefully y'all can see that. And amber, the scent notes is blackberry, grape, and violet. So no lid. This one is nice. This one is giving me a very fruity scent. Almost like grape soda, or almost like a fruit punch or grape, something like that. This one is actually really nice. Only reason why I did grab this one is because this is new. This is something I don't have, so I decided to grab this one. I do not like these wicks. These wicks, horrible. Oh my God, they are so flimsy. They are so flimsy and thin. I already know this is gonna be an issue. I can already tell these wicks is gonna be an issue. Look at the wicks, y'all. If you could, hopefully y'all could see that, but the wicks is horrible. Oh my goodness, they so thin, they falling over. Horrible. So like I said, I already know this is finna be a problem. I can already tell. But again, these were $5. Yeah, these were $5. It's one of those things, like with Aldi, you kind of gotta take what you get, you know. They cheap candles. You can't expect to get luxury for a cheap price. So that's something that you have to actually deal with when it comes to Aldi. Sometimes you get good wicks, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you get a really good candle that throws really good and performs really good, and sometimes you don't. That's just one of the things that we have to accept when it comes to Aldi candles. It's a cheap price. I think this is a 14-ounce candle. No, a 12-ounce candle. The packaging is actually really nice. It has weight to it. So it's not bad for $5. Not bad at all. Of course, we would love for it to be the $3.99 or the $4.29, but it's not. So yeah, here is the other candle. This is gold, and this is supposed to be rose gold, but to me, it's more rose color than gold. But as you see the difference, this one is more pink versus this one is more like a yellow gold. Heavy candles. And this one is the Almond Macaron. Almond Macaron. The scent notes is citrus, pastry, bourbon. And this ain't even what I thought it would be, to be honest. I thought this was going to be more of a cookie candle. I thought that I was going to get something almost like their almond candle, that white almond candle. I thought I would get that scent note with a cookie scent note. But for this to be citrus, pastry, and bourbon, that's like way left to me. And again, these old ugly wicks. I'm just saying, y'all. Ugly wicks. It kind of smelled like a cookie. Yeah, I'm kind of getting a cookie, like pastry, yeah. That bourbon will be more like a creamy note. I don't really smell citrus, though. I don't really get citrus. I do get more like a cookie or a pastry note, like a creamy note. But we're going to see when we burn it. I was most excited about this one. But I am happy with both of these. So if you do go to Aldi, I highly recommend these two. They did have another one that was more like a birch or whatever. But to me, that's going to be your typical birch candle. So that's the reason why I decided to just pass over that one, because it was just one of those ones that I'm like, okay, they always do candles like this. So if you are looking for that standout candle, I think the standout candle would be this one. To me, this one is the one that stands out to me. So if that's the one you're looking for, more of a unique scent or one that they probably haven't done before, it might be this one. As far as this one, this is their typical cookie like candle. So I guess the pick will have to be this one. As far as being unique, it has to be this one. Again, these are $5, 12-ounce 3-wick candles this week at Aldi. Like I said, I did not smell those centerpiece candles. They were heavy. $25 is not a bad price for that type of candle if that's something you need. Like if you have a nice sorry about that horn, y'all. For some reason, it's like, come on now. The stupid part about it, the guy is walking to his car. It's like, why? But anyway, if you have a nice dining room area, or if you have a room and you want a nice oversized candle, then yes, that candle would be a great pick. It only came in 2 scents. One was like a vanilla, and then the other one was like a juniper and sage or something. I did not smell those candles, but I do think, oh my God. I didn't smell those candles, but I do think that they're a pretty good price for the size. Like I said, they were heavy. I almost needed 2 hands to lift them. They were so heavy. So yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get those mini candles. I don't know if they're like selective stores. I don't know. We didn't have those, but we did have those Glade looking candles. We did have them. I don't know if those are new this week. Also, another good thing that I notice a lot of people keep skipping on is the diffuser. The Cool Mist diffuser. Y'all keep skipping over that thing. That's a pretty good buy. I actually bought one from Nordstrom, and I really paid a lot of money for it, like $50, or probably, yeah, I think around $50. I got it on the annual sale. those diffusers are really, really nice. Those are really good for like if you want essential oils going throughout the night. Those are really, really good for that. You don't have to use all the essential oil. You could get essential oils from anywhere. But as far as that price, I think it's like $20. Yeah, they keep coming out with this cool diffuser mist thing, and I haven't seen nobody grab one yet. I haven't seen anybody talking about these. Y'all playing yourself. Y'all should really grab one of those. I'm just saying, if I didn't already have one, I would grab one, because I think that's a really, really good price. Also, you can also find those diffusers at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, places like that, and you can find the high-end ones. I'm not sure what the price are of them over there, and you also can find them at Walmart. I'm not sure what the price is, but I really think since we're all into home fragrances, you must have a home diffuser. I'm just saying, it's just something to have, especially if you like to smell aromatherapy throughout your night or essential oils throughout the night. That's the thing to have. So let's head on over here to Walmart so I could try to find this tea, y'all. So let's head over there. Okay, yeah, I made it to Walmart, and like I said, I'm just going in here to grab this tea real quick, and I'm gonna be right back out the door. But don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl a comment, also hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram, as well as use and follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. Also, let me know, is this a past week for you at Aldi? Did you grab anything? Leave in a comment which candles did you grab, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.